Call us old-fashioned, but we believe that the sales experience is just as important as the sale itself. Here are the top reasons you're going to want to choose us. First and foremost, our sales department does so much more than just answer the phones. Every representative has extensive knowledge on all the important lighting lingo, so you'll spend less time being transferred around and more time getting answers. Secondly, since we skip the middleman, this means the lights are coming straight from us to you. This results in lower prices, better availability, and faster shipping times. And since we have locations on the East and West Coast, you'll have your new lights before you know it. Last but not least, we make sure you're getting the highest quality when it comes to your lights. Each product is hand-selected by our team of experts. Most of our lights come backed with at least a 5-year warranty and are DLC certified. Put the experts on the forefront of your LED lighting needs.